we can have a firm foundation to tap into the digital economy, whether it is digital jobs or digital commerce. Likewise, the Ajira digital program aims to empower over 1 million young people with digital job opportunities, showcasing our commitment to revolutionize the economy through our digital economy. Despite progress, workers still face precarious conditions. We are dedicated to updating labor. We are dedicated to updating labor laws to protect workers in today's evolving market. We are also committed to relevant government and private sector entities to expedite policy development and legal frameworks for this dynamic sector, ensuring full protection of workers' rights. Further,